Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full detailed look at the brand new 2025 Hyundai Palisade, a premium SUV that's back and bolder than ever. Whether you're considering an upgrade or just love staying in the loop with the latest in the auto world, this review has everything you need to know about Hyundai's flagship SUV. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Palisade showcases a refined and more aggressive design compared to its predecessor. Up front, you're greeted with a redesigned grille that blends seamlessly into the sharper, full LED headlamps. The new vertical lighting signature gives it a futuristic and luxurious edge, especially when paired with the available 20-inch alloy wheels and sleek body lines that run from the front fender to the rear. It still maintains its bold presence, but this year's design pushes the boundaries just a bit further, offering a more premium, almost Genesis-like aesthetic. Moving inside, Hyundai really stepped up their game. The 2025 Palisade features a fully digital 12.3-inch curved display that integrates both the instrument cluster and the infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and even over-the-air updates. The materials are noticeably more upscale, with soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and quilted Nappa leather upholstery in the higher trims. Even the base trims feel more luxurious than you'd expect. And if you're all about comfort, the Palisade delivers ventilated and heated seats in both the front and rear rows, along with a driver's seat that offers ergomotion support for those long drives. Under the hood, the 2025 Palisade continues with a trusted 3.8 litres V6 engine, delivering 291 horsepower and 262 pounds-to-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's smooth, refined, and has just enough power to handle highway cruising and city commutes with ease. For those interested in efficiency, there's talk of a possible hybrid variant down the line, but for now, the V6 remains the standard. In terms of space, the Palisade comfortably seats 7 or 8 passengers depending on your configuration. The third row is roomy enough for adults on shorter trips, and the cargo space is generous, especially when you fold the third and second rows down. It's an ideal choice for families, road trippers, or anyone needing that extra space without moving to a full-size SUV. Safety is another area where the Palisade shines. Hyundai's Smart Sense suite includes features like forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and an upgraded highway driving assist system with semi-autonomous capabilities. There's even a new attention alert system that can detect driver fatigue and recommend brakes, a thoughtful addition for long-haul journeys. Finally, pricing for the 2025 Palisade starts at around $40,000 for the base model, and can go up to the mid-$50,000 range for the top-of-the-line calligraphy trim. With all the tech, space, comfort, and style it offers, the Palisade remains one of the most value-packed options in the midsize SUV segment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this full review of the 2025 Hyundai Palisade, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments. Would you pick the Palisade over its rivals? Let's talk down below. See you in the next one.